Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. So in today's video we're going to be testing out this YSL Makeup Palette. Looks like this. So I haven't put any blush on today, I've been saying that for the past 2 days. So we are going to be trying this out. I'll do that first, if I've got a blush brush here. I think so. Yeah, we'll use this New Look one. I'll just make sure there's no colour on it. So this YSL palette is on the chopping block, guys. I'm going to run this through the colour switch as well. So it's on the chopping block. I don't think I'd be able to get rid of it just because the packaging is so darn cute. If I don't like what's inside, it would always make a nice compact, I guess, for when you're on the go. I mean, it's got a really nice mirror. So yeah, I'm just going to go in with this blush here. It's a really bright baby pink. I don't think I've barely used it. If I have, it's probably only been once or twice. Now I need my mirror. Let's zoom in. I've just had a shower, so excuse the hair in its natural state. And I've been loving kind of like taking it here and all the way up and like on the nose as well. I've just had my glasses on and already there's indentation marks. Whoops. So this is the first time of me trying a YSL blush and also eyeshadows. Right, so they've got lip creams in as well. I won't be trying those because I've had this palette for a good few years. I got it for my birthday one year. I think my mum got it for me. And I'm just going ham on the blush now. And yeah, I wouldn't bother with the lip creams. Suppose I could use them as blushes. Right, so that looks nice and bright. I haven't got highlighter on, and this palette doesn't have a highlighter in it, and I've not used this highlighter forever. So I pulled it out for this week's Shop My Stash. It's the Revolution Pearl Lights Loose Highlighter. This is the only loose highlighter I've got in my collection, so I thought we could use this today. I only used it one time. Enough. Where's my brush? And I'll use this brush here. I think it's a BH Cosmetics one. It's like one of their crease brushes, but I use it for highlighter, so I don't need that much. There's quite a lot there, but I do like a blinding highlight. So it's a white gold highlighter, I would say. Ooh. It's got glitter in it, guys, so if you're not a fan of glitter, then you're not going to like it, I don't think. And you certainly don't need how much I put in the cap. Yeah, this has got more glitter in it than I'm used to. I actually don't know how I feel about it now. Pop a bit on my nose. Bit on the Cupid's bow. And then a bit under the chin there. So that's what we're looking like. Now I can notice the glitter, but I don't think you can notice it on camera. I might be wrong, but yeah, we've still got quite a bit in the cap. That's just going to have to be wasted. It was only a tiny bit. Right, so that's blush and highlighter done. I really feel like I need to do something with my hair, tie it in a clip or something. Maybe this headband. that's better. Okay, so, right, with this palette, it doesn't have crease shades in it. So we're going to use the Lick and Lash Beauty one with it. It gives me a chance to kind of assess my feelings, as this is on chopping block as well. I don't think we'd be using too many of the shades, but we will use it. I don't think this YSL one's got a cream eyeshadow shade in it. In fact, it does. It has that one there. Let's swatch it. I think that'd work. It's a sheen. It's a sheen ivory shade, but I don't think that'll be too much of a problem. Got all different mirrors going on. So today I think this is the only video I'll be filming. I filmed 3 yesterday because 2 of them were recommended. Not recommended, 2 of them were requested. Okay, let's go in with the Lick and Lash Beauty and let's see what I can use. Right, so we're going to be going for these 2 shades here. So I need something that's going to go with that shade. Maybe a combination of this one here and then this one just below it. So yeah, let's do them 2. Because last time I used this shade by itself, it wasn't deep enough. Oh, that's right, that's deep enough. I'm just using the Morphe brush that I got in the set recently. It was a 4-piece brush set, so I'm just using that one. It doesn't have a number on it, unfortunately. But these are the only Morphe brushes I've got, so yeah, I thought I've been using these constantly since I bought them. They're really good brushes and I definitely want to get some more, probably one of the biggest sets. There's also a 12-piece brush set that I wouldn't mind having from Morphe, and I think that was £25, whereas that one was £10.20 or £12 in the sale. But obviously I don't mind paying the extra money because you're getting more brushes. Right, so I think we're done with the Lick and Lash Beauty for now at least. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with this shade here. Mirrors dropped. Right, and I've run this Morphe brush through the colour switch, so we're going to go in with that. The only problem with this YSL palette is it doesn't stay open, guys. Right, so I'm using a taupe for all over the lid. In fact, I'll probably just go 3/4 and then use that dark brown that I've got in the palette. So I've been meaning to use this palette for at least the last 3 days, and I've just always forgot to put... I've just always forgot to leave my blusher off, so I just thought, you know, I want to show you what the entire palette looks like. So I'm just going to leave that blank so I can fill that in with the brown eyeshadow in the palette. And I might try that gold for the inner corner, just so we've used all 4 eyeshadows. Right guys, sorry about that. So we were interrupted by the lack of battery that's on the camera. Right, so I just kind of went in with a shimmer on this eye, but we are going to be spritzing the brush. I think I'll do that now actually. Where's that brush I had? Yeah, let's spritz the brush. I'm just using the Primark Glow Intensity, the one that I always use. Yeah. Let's go in with this shade here. Sorry, I'm showing at you the wrong angle. this shade here again. I'm just going in with the same Morphe brush. So this eyeshadow, I've never noticed it, but it has specks of glitter in it as well. It is a shimmer, but it also has specks of glimmer. It's a shimmer, but it also has specks of glitter in it. Just want to see if I can get the pigment a little bit more, because for a YSL eyeshadow it's a little bit lackluster, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm liking that so far. Right, that looks good. Now I need my other Morphe brush, the round one that I got. See, part of me wants another set of these just for this brush here, and also for the blending brush, and I think the light's going on us. So we're going to go in with this really nice chocolate brown here. Actually, I haven't wiped the brush off. Right, and I'm just going to go into the outer V, which is not really showing up. Yeah, it's starting to show up now. Right, so that's about as deep as I want to go. We'll blend that out in a minute. It's a good brush, this, for the outer V. It's called, the set, it's called something like The Eyes Have It, or something like that. It's a 4-piece brush set from Morphe. In the UK I got mine from Beauties. They're well worth the money, guys. Right, so I'm going to go in now with the lash line brush. Just using the same shade, that dark brown. I don't know why I'm looking at my Charlotte Tilbury palette, that's not going to get me anywhere. Right, so this palette is really annoying because you go in it and then it closes itself. Right, so I think I'm going to go to blend it out with this. There's no extra colour on it or anything. Just going to blend the outer V out. Because it was looking a tiny bit harsh. I do want it so you can see it, obviously, but I don't want it like that. Yeah, I'm liking the look of that. So now then, oh yeah, we need to go in to that we need to do a inner corner, which I said that I was going to do the gold. I wouldn't normally put gold in my inner corners, but I just want it so that we've used the entire palette. If I don't like the way the gold looks, I can lighten it up with this shade here. That actually looks pretty nice. I'm just going to run it into the inner portion of my eye. And down there a little bit. Yeah, I'm liking the look of the eyeshadow, so let's go on tight line now. So I'm just going in with the usual eyeliner to tight line. It's a Too Faced Love eyeliner in Perfect Black. That needs sharpening, it's too blunt. Okay, let's try again. I really like that shimmer which is all over the lid. I've probably not used this palette because I didn't used to be into those taupe shades, and yeah, I just really like those shades now, how they look. And it's got, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got some really nice shimmer going on. It's like silver specks of shimmer. Where's my mascara? Right, so that seems to have gone AWOL. Let's use the Rimmel one. So, Rimmel Scandalised Volume on Demand. So now I just need to go and grab a lipstick and then we're done, guys. So what I want to wear today is this MAC Velvet Teddy. I've not had it on for a while. I really love it. So let's put this on. So guys, this is the finished look. This is what we're looking like. Hope you've enjoyed the video today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I'm currently working on a giveaway at the moment, which will be going up in the next month or so, and I would love for you to be a part of it. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.